honorable chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the dedicated teachers of Uttarakhand Academy and my dear friends. First of all, charming good morning to all of you. My name is Sanu Hedwal. On behalf of class 4, I am standing here to command this assembly class. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Prayer is a link between God and us. So now I have to call my classmate for prayer. The ladder of the success doesn't care who climbs it with this quotation. Good morning to honorable chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff member of Uttarakhand Academy and my dear friends. First of all, very charming good morning to all of you. My name is Nandini Khetwal, on behalf of class 4. Today I am standing here to say the pledge. Get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of always, strive to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I also respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I also kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I place my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along my happiness, may God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Thank you. Have a nice day. Attention. Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal, man, all the hardworking teachers of Trent Academy, and my dear friend. First of all, very good morning to all. I am Meenakshi Gupta from class 4. I stand here to say thought. My thought is like that. Every little thing counts in a serious. I repeat my thought once again. Every little thing counts in a serious. I translate my thought in Hindi. संकट में हर छोटी चीज मायने रखती है. Thank you very much. I have not this much time to read newspaper and see television, so now I like to call our senior for news.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the hardworking staff members of Trent Academy and my dear friends. Today, I will accept this behalf of class 10. Today I am standing here to deliver my news headlines. My first news from international. Israel PM said there will be no Hamas post-war in Gaza. My next news from national. Supreme Court of India has verified Bihar voter verification case yesterday. My next news from sports. Season 12 PKL match start from 29 August Friday. My next news from sports only. PKL auction most expensive player is Mohammad Salu 2 crore 50 lakhs. My next news from temperature. Today's the temperature of Amritsar is 22 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Our senior for article.
Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff members of Trent Academy and my dear friend. First of all, very warm and sound good morning to you all. I am from class 10, standing here to deliver my article. And my article topic is Freedom Struggle of India. The Indian freedom struggle was long and complex process that lasted for nearly 2 centuries, with the ultimate goal of ending British colonial rule in India. This epic struggle witnessed the rise of countless leaders and the birth of transformative movements and the sacrifices of millions who aspired for independence India. Key events in freedom struggle. First, Sabine Mutiny. The first major organized movement for Indian independence sparked by discontent with British police and cultural insensitivity. Although it was eventually suppressed, rebellion sowed the seeds of nationalism and laid the groundwork for future resistance. Second, non-cooperative movement, led by Mahatma Gandhi. This movement called for Indians to withdraw cooperative from British government and refuse to use British-made products. It marked as the emergence of Gandhi as the leader of Indian independence movement. Third, Salt March, a historic march led by Gandhi, protest against the British salt monopoly, defying the British salt tax and galvanizing for the support of Indian National Congress. Fourth, Quiet India movement. This major movement protest by Gandhi, demanding immediate independence from British rule, which was met with widespread arrest and repression for vacant British rule in India. Now the significance of freedom struggle. The freedom struggle not only led to independence of British but also shaped modern India state. This struggle helps unify the Indian people to make its own identity and future generation. The Indian Constitution, drafted after independence, guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens, including freedom of law, freedom of religion, and equality before the law. The legacy of freedom struggle of India, inspire people around the world, serving as the treatment of the power of non-violent resistance and human quest for freedom and justice. Now, conclusion. In conclusion, the freedom struggle of India ultimately achieved its goal of independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, remaining its lasting legacy of courage, unity, and non-violent resistance that continues to inspire future generations. Thank you very much.
My classmate Simran for ask you some GK question. On Liberty and sir, respected principal, ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, very charming and good morning to all of you. This is Miss Simran Khetwal from class 4, standing here to ask you some GK question on the topic of Uttarakhand. My first question is, what is the capital of Uttarakhand? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Dehradun. And my next question is, which is the state bird of Uttarakhand? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Monal. And my next question is, which is the state flower of Uttarakhand?
First raise your hand. So no.
Correct answer is Brahma Kamal. And my next question is, which is the state animal of Uttarakhand?
Raise your hand.
No answer is wrong. The correct answer is
Divyanshi state.
Musketeer. And my next question is, who was the chief minister of Uttarakhand?
Raise hand now. Raise your hand. Class one. Yes. Also no answer.
No, your answer is wrong. The correct yes answer is correct. The correct answer is Mr. Pushkar Singh Dhani. And my next question is, who is the first chief minister of Uttarakhand?
Class second. It is for class second. Yes. Say answer.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Nityananda Swami. And my next question is, who is the governor of Uttarakhand?
Present. Present.
Present.
Present. Yes, class second. Who is the present governor of Uttarakhand?
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Sukhdev Barnala. And my next question is, how many districts are there in Uttarakhand? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 13. Next question is, which district has maximum area? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Chamoli. And my next question is, which district has minimum area?
Smallest district of Uttarakhand.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Champawat. And my next question is, which district has maximum glacier? I repeat my question once again. Which district has maximum glacier?
Fifth. Class fifth.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Thank you very much. I am Jansi for poems. Chairman, respected principal, all teachers and my dear friends, good morning all of. My name is Divyanshi from class 1. Today my Hindi poem is सूर्यास्त सूर्यास्त बाद दिखता हूँ मैं, सूर्य से सबसे करीब रहता हूँ मैं, कौटिल्य और सत्य भी है मेरे पास, कोई चंद्रमा नहीं है, देवता उपजुग ऐसे प्रसिद्ध हूँ, सुग्रह नाम से मैं जाना जाता हूँ. My English poem is the book was a fiber releasing us in flight, bring us good tidings, read us now. He says little bird that to make his song clear and make his sing cuckoo. The summer is here. Thank you. New chemistry man to motivate us.
Thank you, Veda. First of all, good morning to our honorable chairman sir and respected principal ma'am, all the guiding and supporting staff members and my dear students. My name is Radhashri Joshi, you can call me Shri ma'am, and I have completed my undergraduation from Pandit Bhadradhav Pandey PG College, Bageshwar, which is at that time a branch of Kumaon University, Nainital. And my post-graduation and Bachelor of Education from the same college, Pandit Badridat Pandey, PG College, Bageshwar, which is, as for now, is a branch of Sobhan Singh Jina University, Almora. And the thought of the day is, please watch your thoughts as they can become your words. Watch your words as they can become your actions. Watch your actions as they may become your habit. And watch your habit as they will be going to define your character. So the conclusion is to have or to possess a defined character, you must watch your habits. And for that, you must watch your actions. And to have great actions, you must watch your words. And for that, you must watch your thoughts. It all begins with our thought. Whatever we think, we become. Be aware of your thoughts. Thank you. Have a nice day.